Come test drive the 2021 Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power moonroof, 4-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, speed control. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, heated front seats, security system, trip computer, power windows, power steering, power passenger seat. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Thinking about purchasing or leasing a car from Scott Robinson? Did you know that your new car is covered with a complimentary lifetime limited powertrain warranty? This is not just the manufacturer's warranty. This is something we bring you exclusively at Scott Robinson Chrysler. We call it the Scott Robinson Advantage. You see, we want a customer for life, so this is included at no extra charge. You're covered for as long as you own the vehicle. Thank you for choosing Scott Robinson.